Hello and welcome, Robert. Robert is a partner at Venturis Consulting Group and the co-consulting editor of our new title, Strategies for Growth in Law Firms. How did you find the consulting editor role?
Yeah, it was, we liked it. I liked it. It was fun and above all, it was interesting. We have some experience. I think it was 2 years ago. We already wrote together with my partners, Katerina and Ruprecht Graaf van File. We wrote the special report on legal tech and digitalization.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Again, this was another opportunity for us as a group of Venturis to showcase the breadth and depth of the expertise that we have with regards to growth strategies, and to show that there are many avenues for firms to pursue a growth strategy.
Yeah, so I guess you sort of said a little bit about combining the expertise of you and your colleagues, but perhaps you could tell us a little bit about the inspiration behind this particular book and why you chose this topic.
Yeah, so you asked, Global Law and Business asked us whether we could think about a new title. And that was for us a great opportunity for to think about the overarching issues that pops up in the discussions we have with clients. And I think almost every discussion we have with clients is about growth in whatever form. And mainly it's about profitable revenue growth. So that was, I think, well, so whether it is for national independent firms, for international firms, increasingly for boutique firms, growth is on their strategic agenda. So for us, it was, in that sense, not too difficult to know that we wanted to say something about growth for and in law firms.
Brilliant, makes a lot of sense. So I mean, in those discussions with your clients, do you see any particular key topics or trends that are unfolding in terms of international growth? Yeah,
so the overarching strategic priority for many firms is profitable revenue growth. And as I said before, the avenues to pursue that growth may differ. National independent firms, increasingly boutique firms, have different strategic priorities with regard to growth than international business law firms. International business law firms, if they think about growth, they think about growth in terms of expansion in new markets or in existing markets where they already are. National independent firms and boutique firms, they increasingly focus on international referral strategies, and what we see, but that also counts for the international business law firms, but to a lesser extent, is the focus on the quality of the business support. Mm-hmm. International business law firms, they already did quite some work on the quality of the business support in the near past. And what we see is that especially now the national independent firms and the boutique firms, they have put the business support function on the strategic agenda as well.
Brilliant. Well, lots to think about there, obviously. So to finish off, if you had to give one piece of advice for law firms who are looking to sort of grow internationally, what would that be?
Yeah. So whether firms pursue growth in terms of profitable revenue or in terms of clients, in terms of new geographical markets, or with regard to the quality of their business support, our key advice is think strategically, mm-hmm. Take a structured approach, and base your decisions on data effects.
Great. Sounds great. Great advice. Well, thank you very much for your time today and for all your work on the title. And we very much look forward to our customers seeing it and learning from it, I'm sure.
And thank you, Kat.